Two German car parts can look almost identical. One works perfectly, the other can trigger warning lights, software errors, and another workshop bill. When a warning appears, the natural reaction is to find the cheapest replacement as quickly as possible. With German cars, that can become the expensive option. German vehicles combine mechanical precision with increasingly complex electronics. Engines, gearboxes, brakes, suspension, and control modules are designed to work within exact specifications. Two BMWs can look identical and still require different replacement parts. Production updates can change components without changing the appearance of the car. The VIN identifies the exact vehicle specification. That becomes especially important for gearboxes, ECUs, turbochargers, air suspension, lighting modules, and engine management parts. The original manufacturer part number matters just as much. It identifies revisions, engine variants, transmission types, optional equipment, and regional specifications. Once compatibility is confirmed, there is another decision: genuine OEM, used, reconditioned, or aftermarket. Genuine parts prioritize factory specification and maximum compatibility. They make particular sense for critical electronics, safety systems, and repairs where exact manufacturer integration matters. OEM can be one of the strongest value choices. Many OEM manufacturers supply components used during original vehicle production, but without the vehicle brand packaging. Used does not automatically mean poor quality. A professionally inspected original used component can make excellent financial sense for the right repair. For expensive assemblies, reconditioning can offer another route. A proper rebuild means dismantling, inspection, replacing worn internal parts, rebuilding, and testing. Aftermarket quality varies far more. Recognized manufacturers can provide excellent components. Choosing purely by price is where the risk increases. German vehicles also attract counterfeit components, and convincing packaging does not guarantee what is inside. Watch for an unusually low price, missing manufacturer markings, weak packaging, no warranty, no VIN verification, limited documentation, or an unknown supplier. A good German part supplier should ask questions before taking your money. They should want the VIN, part number, and exact vehicle specification. You may receive two quotations for what appears to be the same component, and the prices can be dramatically different. Quality, manufacturer, model, origin, warranty, availability, and installation. Complexity all affect the final price. The component itself may only be part of your final invoice. German car repairs can also require diagnostics, electronic coding, programming, fluids, seals, calibration, and supporting hardware. Professional diagnostics may add around 300 to 1,200 dirhams. Electronic programming can add roughly 500 to 2,500, while calibration procedures may reach around 2,000. Major German repairs can also carry substantial installation costs. An automatic gearbox replacement may require roughly 4,000 to 10,000 dirhams in labor, while engine replacement labor may reach around 5,000 to 12,000. Before paying, understand the warranty, return procedure, exchange policy, and technical support. Keep the invoice and compatibility documentation. Before ordering any major German car parts, stop and check the basics. Once you know exactly what the car needs, compare your available options instead of depending on a single quotation. PartFinder UAE lets buyers request quotations from German parts suppliers across the UAE. Whether it is BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, the principle stays the same. With German cars, saving money starts with buying the correct part, not simply the cheapest one. Verify first, compare second, install once.